Rewind about 100 years. Here's what SMU looked like in the early 1920s.
In 1925, SMU built its original engineering, chemistry, and commerce buildings.
Many of you who attended SMU may remember this view of campus, circa 1983.
And here is our beautiful Bobby B. Lyle School of Engineering today.
When our Mary and Richard Templeton Deed, Nader Jalili, joined in March 2023, he reorganized Lyle and began identifying areas needing improvement.
Fast forward 1 year, 1 month, and 26 days, and our little engineering school has made a lot of progress.
I'm Sofia Murillo-Sanchez, a senior computer science student.
I'm Markus Mortensen, a junior studying mechanical engineering.
And I'm Hannah Lewis, a senior computer science student.
We'd like to show you how Lyle continues to evolve to better meet the needs of our students and faculty. Follow me. Check out our new Embry Student Lounge, where students can find quiet workstations between classes.
Follow me. Here in the Hart Center for Engineering Leadership, we added more offices to allow a central undergraduate advising.
And here in our new Center for Digital and Human Augmented Manufacturing, we're remodeling 5,000 square feet of space so students can use digital twin, AR, VR, and robotics to work on special projects.
Welcome to Lyle's new Academic Research Center, a place for interactive work that supports Lyle faculty for pre-award, post-award, and purchasing related to research.
This is our renovated Hewitt-Zoller space, which now hosts the Lyle Anywhere operations, and it's a one-stop shop for faculty and staff working on Quality Matters certifications for their programs.
And check out our new Marketing and Communication Suite, which elevates this critical function from a one-person operation to an assistant dean-level position with many staff.
Here in the recruiting office, we added a conference room for staff and student workers.
And last but not least, we've updated the Dean Suite, fixing a wall that was damaged and refreshing the space with new carpet, paint, and furniture. In the back office area, we converted a conference room to space for 2 new executive assistants and a reception area.
All this would not be possible without this guy, Todd Wright, who led the renovations.
As far as we're concerned, these are not just renovations, they're innovations to improve higher learning at Lyle.
And it certainly would not be possible without Dean Jalili, who has been working to create a One Lyle culture and elevate our school and its operations from day one of his arrival. Thank you, Dean Jalili.
We hope you've enjoyed your Lyle Renovations update.
We're signing off for now.
Pony up.
Until next time, pony up.
Pony up!